Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Atlantic Built. Today is going to be like a vlog style video. Basically, I installed a leveling kit from my wife's Bronco. The link is up here if you guys want to see how that went down. And we needed to get an alignment after. So I'm going to go to the shop, bring it for an alignment, and bring you guys along for the ride. Hopefully you learned something from this. If it sounds interesting to you, stick around. If it sounds boring to you, don't stick around because you're going to be bored. Let's get into it. Morning guys. Today we're going to take the Bronco to get an alignment done. I'm just going to show you here, after I installed the leveling kit, I'm not sure if you can see the top of the tire is kind of kicked out here. That's called positive camber. So we're going to go get that corrected. There may also be like a toe issue where the wheels might not be running straight and true. So we're going to take it down the road to the shop. We got an appointment in 15 minutes, which I'm probably late for. They're going to put it on the alignment rack, take a look and see if we can set this thing straight. So it's a little bit exaggerated from the way that this lens is on the camera, but it gives you an idea that the wheels are definitely pointed out at the top. We're gonna head down the road, see how it goes. Bucking Bronco, baby. Awesome day for a drive. The shop's about 10 minutes down the road. My appointment's in 2 minutes, so that's not good. I'm not exactly sure if they will allow me in the shop to show you guys exactly what they're adjusting, but if they do, I think it would be a little cool bit to add just so that, you know, we learn something. Everyone loves learning things. Look at this little hill. Probably doesn't look like much, but it's actually pretty steep. Oh, look at that. ABS came on and everything. A little shortcut to the highway. A little windy out today. We're gonna do the alignment. I'm gonna go back home, pull the flares off, and that's when I'm gonna be able to show you how they come off. There we are. We're at the garage. The old GL Auto in Bouctouche, New Brunswick. Late for the appointment, so we'll see what he says. These guys are really good. If anyone lives in this area, check him out. Honest guy, super fair, always does a good job. And if you have any problems, which I haven't yet, but I'm sure he would take care of you. All right, so he's just gonna guide me in. He wants me to drive it in myself, so fine by me. You're part of the production now. You're part of the production. Actually, look at this. We probably could have used this camera just to guide us right on the ramps. It's pretty slick. But we're in. What's that? Okay. Okay. Good? Cool. So basically these little laser mabobs point at these and then they get a reading at how the wheel is sitting. Look at this heavy duty steel skid plate under the gas tank, eh? Thick boy. This high-tech machinery here. So not only does it do alignments, but it plays you sweet tunes. So what was that, like calibrating or whatever then?
That was run out, yeah.
So we can see our adjustment here. There's a cam washer, or like a cam bolt. So as you turn the bolt, this cam changes the position of the control arm where it sits in or out, which will ultimately affect the tire angle being out or in. So once we bump it out a little bit, These plates will allow the tire to move. He'll be able to adjust this, refer back to the screen, and it will show him exactly what's happening as he does it. So what we found, or what Gabriel found, was the camber should be like 0.12-ish, and we're at 0.6. And as you can see, the Badlands is different than like the base and all the other ones with the different suspension. It can be 0.23 instead of 0.12. Oh, sorry, I'm blocking you
You
here.
wanted it dead on or do you want it 0.1?
0.1, I guess. It says 0.12, so that's awesome. As he pulls it, we'll be able to see it change. Oh, 0.2. Oh, 0.1. Beautiful.
Now I gotta make sure the caster didn't change. I'll have to redo my caster suite.
Oh yeah, because once you change one thing, everything else gets affected by it.
So there's still
So now he's just tightening the nuts on the cam bolts. So now he's going to set the toe, which is how far in or out the front or back of the tire points. Positive value is toe in, negative value is toe out. 0.1 degree. 0.1 degree. Just gonna back her off the machine here. All right, so we are all lined up. I'm gonna show you guys what it's like when I get home. And yeah, we are ready to rock. So after the leveling kit, this thing did drive straight down the road and the wheel was straight. However, it did feel pretty light in the front end. It would kind of feel like it would want to jump over bumps like left or right. So after the alignment, all these issues went away and it drove like a brand new truck again. So this is after, and you can tell, like, I don't know if in the video it really shows it as well as it does in person, but the wheels are definitely straight. So that'll wrap it up for this episode. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a like. If you want to see more Bronco content, more automotive content in general, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Cheers.